Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm here at PPAI Expo, and I'm excited to walk you through the new collaboration between Stahls Fulfill Engine and OrderMyGear right here at the print stop. We're going to start right on my OrderMyGear e-commerce store to show you how you can grow your sales with OrderMyGear stores through e-commerce, fulfilled completely for you through Stahls Fulfill Engine Decorator Network, or that you can bring in orders to decorate yourself with Stahls Fulfill Engine production management software. But it all starts with an e-commerce store. Here at the print stop, we've set up a sample store where you can build products, launch them out to your specific clients, and they can interact with those products in a way that they can add them to their cart and check out. So we're going to do this red t-shirt here with this graphic. I like this one. We'll enter the quantity, we'll select our size, and then we'll be able to add that product directly to the cart. Once we add the product to the cart, the order is going to come into your business. Okay, so imagine this. You have lots of different clients. Some of those clients want to have year-long stores. With OrderMyGear, yes, you've been able to do pop-up shops, but now the idea of on-demand stores is possible. I'm going to explain to you how this works. And so these stores would sit out there for your individual clients. They can sit out there all year long, so you can accept orders in print, only what you need, exactly where you need it. Here, we've ordered this direct-to-film shirt. So if you have Stahls direct-to-film transfers that you're ordering in your business, our Ultra Color Max, this is how it's going to work. You're going to collect all of those orders coming from all of your different clients' OrderMyGear stores. You're going to order the direct-to-film transfers, and the software Fulfill Engine can automatically do that for you, as well as order all of the blanks from our integrated suppliers. So whether it's Sanmar, S&S Activewear, Carolina Made, Alpha Broder, and more, all of that's ordered for you, so you never have to log into a blank apparel supplier site again and have that administration. It just batches the orders and orders them daily into your business, okay? And it's a complete production management system. So as the garments are receiving in, as the transfers are receiving into your business, all you need to do is match them together. And Fulfill Engine's QR code system helps you do that. And so we'll receive the blanks in. I'm showing that on this screen. The sticker QR code will print out on the device, and then we're going to take that sticker and we are going to sticker it to our blank good, okay? And so making sure we match that sticker up to my large red t-shirt, my small green t-shirt, whatever products are coming in, we're going to QR code sticker those, okay? Once I have that QR code and I've received my transfers, and remember, Stahls ships same day if you order by 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, so you're going to get these very quickly. You don't need to own the printer yourself. And then I'm going to walk over to my ProPlace IQ, okay? So sticker t-shirt, transfer in hand, we scan it through our ProPlace IQ technology. It instantly grabs that image onto my Fulfill Engine software screen and projects the placement down onto the garment. So all I have to do is split that garment, load it on, match the logo to the light, and heat apply. It's that easy. Now I have a completed shirt that's ready to move through to the shipping station. So one last step with that QR code, I'm going to scan it at the shipping station, and it's going to print a shipping label with the client's address. I'm able to apply that shipping label to the bag, package my good, and ship it out. Here at the print stop, we're showing it for live pickup, so it actually prints out a label where we're going to write the client's name down. We're going to package it in this cute little cup, roll up our shirt, and now they're ready to come pick it up. So whether you want to do in-store pickup or ship to your customers, the idea is you can sell with OrderMyGear, you can produce all the way through, including sourcing, manufacturing, and shipping, all within Fulfill Engine for this turnkey way to grow your business. So make sure you check the link in the description, subscribe to our channel, schedule a call with one of our team members, and learn how OrderMyGear and Fulfill Engine can help you to grow your business. Thanks for watching.